Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. So this video is regarding Wish, WISH, which is for context logic, and this is a jam-packed video because this stock was up 49.87%. At one point it was over 50%. It came down a little bit, but still after market we are up 13.76%. Very exciting because this thing has a long way to go. So I will talk in this particular video with this particular stock because why I'm predicting, what is the price target, what smart money is predicting, is there any unusual option activity, what is the short interest, and also what is the technical analysis, support and resistance. I think you will find this video useful because this is a very jam-packed video, and if you find it useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. First of all, I want to talk, yesterday I made a video on Clove which was around 11.92, and that time I said massive short squeeze coming, right? So it was yesterday, I said tomorrow, so in the morning I made it today pre-market because I know it's coming, right? So I talked about it, it was 11.92. Then even I made a live pre-market, that time it was $17, and look what happened. We gapped up, we opened around 17, we went all the way close to $25, came down, and still we are recovering. And I was playing with call option, and it was a great day because I know so many people made a lot of money. I was getting comments and congratulations whoever has made money, and it was a very solid day. So thank you everyone, congrats. Still it is not too late if you are not subscribed to this particular channel, because here we talk about the stock which are about to explode and how we can make money in a very short period of time. One other thing before I start talking about Wish, technical analysis, short interest and everything, today I just noticed that in my channel I have an option join. I just opened it just to see how it works. Then I found that some people actually joined my community, and then my price was very easy. It was 1 cent per day, basically $3 per month. So 1 cent per day, it was nothing, but I see some people join my community, and then I feel some kind of responsibility because they are paying, even though it's 1 cent per day I say, but they are a member of my community, right? So I started posting something. If you go to my page in the community tab, you will see it. So you see some posts are for everyone, some posts are only for members. So I made a video on Wish call option with a long expiry date, and because this thing will blow up, and you can see after hour we are going up. So some posts are only for members, some posts are for public. You see some member only posts. So again, if you want, you can always come back to my YouTube page. You can go to community tab. If it is for public, then yeah, it is open for you. If you're a member, then it is only for you. Again, my channel cost only 1 cent per day, which is $2.99 per month. Very cheap. Anyway, it's time to talk about Wish. So first of all, let's look at the chart. I'm showing you a daily chart here. So this one was at $1.32, then it was coming down, and it found a support around $7.78 area. And look what happened. The last day, even though it was little red, see the green bar here, and today it was a massive day, 50% up. And even you see after market we are up. We ended the day 1163, and after market we are 13.08, almost 15% up. See the massive green candle here, and you won't see any big candle like this. You see how big is it? So first of all, huge volume coming, and this stock is heavily shorted, so I will talk about it. Before that, look at something. The price was 32, it came to $8, and when you go to Nasdaq, it says a strong buy. You see the big names here, so they are giving a strong buy with an average price target of 20, with a high of 30 and a low of 12. So it seems kind of funny that it hit 30, the average price target is 20, and this stock came to 8, even below $12. So this is the thing. So this thing has a long-term potential, definitely yes, and it was heavily shorted, and I will talk why. If I go here, you will see that Fintel, the institution, owns 48.5% of this particular company. So there is a big institutional buyer for this particular one. Also, if I look for short interest on Yahoo, it says 20.53%, which was reported on May 14th, almost 1 month before. If I go to shortsqueeze.com, it says between the previous and the latest one, there is an increase in short interest by 15%. And also when I went to Twitter today, so I found many posts, some saying 40% short interest, some saying 49%. So many posts I'm seeing, but it's a 40, 45, 50, whatever. It is really high. Anything over 20 is high, and anything over 40, 50%, yeah, definitely that's a very, very high short interest. So short squeeze, that's the thing, right? So that stock was heavily beaten down. It has a very high short interest, lots of volume coming. Look here, the average trading volume is 28 million, and today's volume was 212 million, almost 9 to 10 times volume coming. More volume coming, very high short interest. You know what is next. Anyway, look at today's unusual option activity. You see, Clove, we know how Clove work, but number 3 is Wish. So you see, so for strike 25, expiry date 18th of June, right? And you see how many volumes were traded today. 39,000 call options were traded. So these are done already. There is only little left here, 458. On the other hand, if I look at most active option today, Clove is number 1, Apple is number 2. Look at Wish here. So if you look at Wish here, 510,000 option volume were purchased and traded today. 86.9% are call option and 13% are put option. So again, 87% people are betting on Wish to go even higher and higher. So put and call volume ratio is only 0.15. Now, before I move, one other thing, look at 18th of June expiry date. Look at the open interest, 20,000. It means 20,000 call options are still open, and their price is 3.2 is the premium. So let's see how much money are waiting. So 20720 multiplied by 3.2 multiplied by 100. So it's still $6.6 million is waiting for this one to go even higher. Yes, 10 plus 3 is 13, so there is still betting that it will go over $13.2, and lots of money are still waiting. Yes, lots of call options are traded already, but still there are a lot of open interest here. Look at the implied volatility, 256%. That is massive. Anyway, now let's go back to the chart. So you see that there was overall downtrend. It found a support. Now it is going up. So what's happening? What's happening here? You see there's a gap. There's a gap. So today the initial thing was, can we close the gap? So once we break the $10 mark area, then it was bound to go at least up to $11 because there was a gap. So gap needs to be filled. So from 10 to 11 it was an easy run. Then after that it went to 11.8. Then it came to 11.6. Now it is at 13.26. So what's the big picture here? Let me show you here. So many lines, I'm sorry. So the big picture is that was a resistance at 11. We broke it. We had a resistance around 11.9. We came below, but again after hour we are up. We are here, right? So next stop is around 13.27, and currently we are right at the resistance, because you see this is the line 13.27. It was a support at one point. But I think the next big resistance would be 15.17 or 15.2 area, because you see last time we tried to go up but we came back. So 13.2 would be a big resistance because it was previously a support, right? So once we break this one, the next one is around 17.6 area because it was a support, and the big one will be again 19.7 because it was rejected sometime in mid-March. So in terms of the big resistance, I would say 19.7 and 15.2, this area, and currently we are 13.45. While we are speaking, I think this thing is going even higher. Let me refresh, because I think Wish is even going higher. Yeah, it is 16.94%. So still this thing is going up. Very, very exciting. So if we can stay over 13.3 area, very, very good. I think we might have a resistance around 15.17 and then 17.5 and 19. So you got the idea, right? So if you want to buy shares, yes, it's a good one, because if you go to Nasdaq, it has an average price target of 20 with a high of 30. So definitely we are at $13. So you have nothing to lose. At the same time, it's very, very volatile. The only thing about call options are they have an expiry date and they have an implied volatility. In case it comes down or moving sideways, you might lose some money. What I'm doing, end of the day, just before the close, I bought a call option for July 16th, and I believe I bought the call options for this one 15 is right. So 15 plus 3 is 18. That is my break even. But anyway, I'm not looking at the break even. My entire thing is if aftermarket and pre-market this thing goes up, when the market will open, I will just take my profit. Same thing I did with Clove yesterday. I had the call option when it was at $12, so it went up, so my $2 call option premium became 1200, so it was a $1000 profit. Just I spent 200 and I got a $1000 profit. So anyway, the same concept. I don't know whether it will be successful. So far pre-market we are up. If we can open, we can go around 15 area, definitely I will win profit. Same thing I'm doing sometime end of the day. If you see there is a good volume coming, then you might just like to buy some call options, because if you anticipate something will happen. So you see the volumes are coming continuously, and even on aftermarket what happened, it went up almost 13.27, and you see my line here 11.85. It came and bounced off and broke through this 13.27 area. Next thing we need to see, can we break or can we go close to 15.27, and if it goes there, definitely the call option I'm holding, it will be higher. So same thing you can do, you can still buy some shares if you want. Aftermarket, if your platform gives you the opportunity to buy some share, you can also buy some share. At the same time, watch for pre-market, and also you can play with call options. Anyway, my friend, I just wanted to bring this to your attention because we made a killing with Clove today. Yesterday was BNGO, and again I'm expecting tomorrow would be Wish. Yeah, I made some money. I made some quick day trading with Wish call option, but again end of the day the movement was really solid, so again I got in just before the closing of the market. So we will see. Anyway, my friend, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, if you want, you can just join to my membership. It's only 1 cent per day. Again, just 1 cent, so you can expect what is coming. But anyway, I will try to give some of the information only to my members, because I'm a growing community and it feels good, right, when I have some specific member only dedicated to myself. Anyway, but in general I'm very open. I have Twitter, StockWith. I give information all the time, you know me, and I also do some pre-market live. So again, thanks for watching for this particular video. Take care and peace.